Hello friends, welcome to my channel Easy Science. Today's topic is black screen appearance in OBS Studio when you want to record your desktop screen. You have already selected display capture mode, but you are unable to record your display, your Windows screen. Now what's the solution? What changes you should have to done to resolve this problem? I'm going to explain all these. After taking only few steps, you will be eligible to record your screen and the problem will be sorted out permanently. So watch this video till end. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe it. You have lots of information in the future. Let's start the topics. Friends, this is the display desktop screen. Now click on your OBS Studio. As you know that I have already opened it, that's why this types of notification appears. Now cancel and start from here. This is the OBS Studio, and here you can watch that my OBS Studio screen is working well. And now I have already created a scene 1 and now selected audio input capture, audio output capture and display capture. I have selected display capture and now display is showing on, and this is in recording mode. You can see the moving of my cursor. So but in your case only black screen appear here after selecting display capture. So what changes you have to do? If you tried to solve this problem from the settings and you have done a lot of customization, but you can't resolve this problem from here because this problem is related to your graphics customization. So first minimize it, and on your Windows screen, desktop screen, on free space, right click to your mouse. You have option of the NVIDIA control panel. Go to the NVIDIA control panel. Friends, here you have NVIDIA control panel, manage 3D setting. Here manage 3D settings, and now here you can watch the global setting and program settings. Two settings here. Go to the program setting. After selecting program setting, then select a program to customize, and second, select the preferred graphics processor for the program. After these two settings, your problem will be sorted out. So first select a program to customize. The what program? Select your OBS program, Open Broadcast Software, OBS 64, and I have already selected, that's why the Open Broadcast Software is seen here, and click on add and select this OBS Studio. Click here and click here add selected program. Select your OBS Studio and click here add a selected program. Okay, and now the second setting, use global settings, auto select NVIDIA CPU. Second, high performance NVIDIA processor. You have to select the integrated graphics for desktop screen recording through OBS Studio. Friends, these three graphics settings have their own importance. When you want to record your gaming, then you go through the high performance NVIDIA processor. If you go through it, you will be able to record your gaming. Now if you have to work on the video editing software like DaVinci, then you have to select the global setting. But in the case of OBS Studio, if you have already been selected display capture but no display and desktop screen is showing on OBS Studio, then select the integrated graphics. Click here and apply it. When you click here and apply it, then the problem will be sorted out. So this way, click and apply it. Friends, we minimize and now go to the OBS Studio. I have already opened it, that's why I click here. And now the OBS Studio and create a scene. For creating a scene, click on the plus sign, scene 2, okay. You can watch the scene 2 has been created. Now for scene 2, do the customization. Here, select the display capture. Okay. Now for scene 2, I have selected display capture. If you have extra mic, you want to use your microphones, then click on the source. First, you select the scene and click on the source and go to the audio input capture. And now in audio input capture, okay, and customize here and select your microphones and click on OK. You can watch that the display capture 2 and audio input capture 2 has been selected for the scene 2. And you can find you have an option of your desktop recording. Your problem had been sorted out. So we stop our recording. After stopping our recording, you can watch your recording files, your clip from the file option show recordings. Okay, so click here to stop your recording and go to the file and show recordings. You can watch your video clips, saved video clips. Okay, if seems this video is so useful to you, so like it, subscribe my channel Easy Science, because you will have lots of things. So be with this channel. Thank you for watching this video.